Hey there, and welcome back to another video. In this one, it'll be a quick one to show you guys how to use Twitter ads and use Twitter ads on your profile for your marketing needs. So firstly, make sure you have a Twitter account in order to get started to make some Twitter advertisements. I suggest using this on a computer, but of course, you're free to use this on any device as you wish. So the first thing we want to do is to go into business.twitter.com. Go ahead and sign into your Twitter account. And you want to get started with advertising by changing your account from a single account into a business account. Now, let's move into the actual stuff in Twitter. To run ads, we need to have a subscription to Twitter Blue. And to verify that, advertisers can run ads on Twitter to click here and subscribe to Twitter Blue. If I click here, it'll send me to this option with a new blue badge that I can pay for monthly or annually. As you can see, these are the options and elements that we need to get started with. So once you have your subscription to Twitter Blue, you can go back into your simple ads. It'll ask you what your main objective is for creating Twitter advertisements. Choose whether you want to reach more people, create more engagement, find more likes, retweets, replies, gain followers, get more traffic on visitors to your website, and more, and just choose the option that best suits you. So what I want to do is reach users with high intent. I want to discover new audiences and make sure they engage with my website. I can definitely choose options to incentivize other people to check out my website. Spot my content, like my content, retweet them, and follow my profile. I just need to have high intent, so go ahead and choose those and click next. Then it's going to ask you to create a keyword ad. It depends on what you're looking for, really. So let's go for this one, and let's just go with that for now. Next is going to ask me to change some settings if I wish. I can also just click next and go send me to the customization and delivery option. Customized delivery will show me the demographics, targeting features, budget, and payment method. I want to focus on demographics, which should help me focus on targeting a specific audience. We can focus on any gender, but I'm going to go from this one to this one. We can even be a bit more specific, where we can reach a potential audience of 2 to 12 million by choosing these options. Let's say I only want to target people from this place in the world, so go ahead and choose this one. And you can even select a specific province within that region of the world. If you play around with these settings, enable and disable some options, you can see how much reach your ad may potentially have. If you wish to reach a smaller but more specific audience, feel free to edit the settings till you're happy with your settings for your content. Targeting features will help us narrow down our audience even further, so we can even base our ads on keywords. You can always use this to create advertisements that are more specified to a specific niche. So if our audience is too small, we just need to add more keywords. We can add more genres and add other keywords to increase our audience size. Once you're happy with all your settings, let's move on to the next step, which is to check your budget. For your budget, it'll always depend on your actual goal. The budget is mostly determined by whether you want more chances of reaching more people or fewer chances of reaching specific ones. I can focus on choosing this amount to allocate my budget. But if you allocate a smaller amount, your date range is quite broader. All we have to do is go to the payment method later on and add our credit card to choose our budgeting for our advertisement. And once we're successfully done that, we can go back to the upper side, go to analytics, and we can review all the analytics in our Twitter tracking. As you can see, it's really easy to get started with all these analytics for advertisements on Twitter. Honestly, it's kind of annoying that these features are all hidden behind this Twitter Blue subscription method, but end of the day, everything is going to help us reach more engagement and boost our content on Twitter. If you need a place to start with pushing for Twitter advertisements, this is really the best place to begin. And that's all the time we have for this video. If you have any other questions or inquiries, feel free to leave a comment down below. And as always, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. Yet again, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.